How to turn off Discord notification sound on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you turn off Discord notification sound on your iPhone. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open settings from your iPhone. Alright, so after you open the setting, you'll have to scroll down and go the option notification. Alright, so from the notification you'll have to scroll down and find the app Discord. Alright, so after you find the Discord app, you'll have to just tap on it. Okay, so from here, in the first you'll go to options like allow notifications. So from here, make sure that you have turned off this. So after you turn off this from here, you'll be able to turn off the notification of Discord app on your iPhone. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.